Could you imagine working from this rooftop deck, I don't know, 300 days of sunshine a year? That's exactly what you can do. But this rooftop deck provides one of the best sunset views, as well as fall and wintertime views of the city skyline. An amazing spot that is the highlight of my newest listing at 4922 Lowell Boulevard. Let's go take a look at the house, but I had to start with this amazing rooftop deck.
Down the road, watch me as I go, watch me as I go. Should I look both ways before you cross me, baby? 'Cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. Fastback, oh, it's just my style. We're headed down the road. Just enjoy the show, watch me as I go. Should've looked both ways before you cross me, baby, 'cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
One more thing before you go. I wanted to go through this. As you saw, the 2-car garage door opening, there is a built-out piece here that can be pushed back. It was a restroom at one point, but the builder had it set up so that it is very easily removed, and you can have a full 2-car and you still have the storage underneath the stairs. Finish out 4922 Lowell Unit 2 has an absolute abundance of amenities to walk through. You have the 2-car option or 1.5-car plus storage. You also have that amazing rooftop deck. If this is something that you're interested in seeing, reach out, comment below. Do me a favor, put your favorite amenity or your favorite feature of this home in the comments. It helps me out. Like, comment, subscribe for more home tours just like this.